I'm trying on my suit.
For what?
Our day we say we're married. Our wedding, if you will.
An interview of Mr. Bo Munson. He's indicated that he has some previous newspaper reporting experience. So we'll see how this goes. So it's almost 8 o'clock.
Woo! He's number one! He's number one!
I remember thinking how handsome and sweet you seemed and how I just really hoped that you were single so maybe I could have a chance. You had almost like a sparkle in your eyes and the most attractive smile I've ever seen. You still do.
Reagan Lee, I remember when I proposed to you, saying that I never knew what love truly was until I met you. The kindness you share with the world, the compassion and confidence you exude, and the strength you share that pulls out all of your best qualities. I promise to never take you or those beautiful qualities of yours for granted, and I vow to hold you and love you until God calls me home. I promise to protect you, to stand by you in the adversities we will face, and to make you and your happiness my #1 priority. I am beyond thankful for the foundation we built together, and I knew the moment I met you that God perfectly cut you out to fill in all my blanks. He who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord. Proverbs 18:22. I love you, I'm so proud of you, and I couldn't ask for a more perfect partner in crime to tackle this beautiful, scary thing called life. Thank you for loving me the way you do. Thank you for pushing me and pulling my best qualities out of me. And thank you for having the caring heart that you do. You have the most beautiful soul. You're it for me, kid. I love you.
I knew Cole would be great for Reagan when she brought him to a family event, and he asked my dad, who was out here earlier, if there was anything he could help with. Boy, should he have known not to ask that question. Cole probably ended up doing more work than I did that day.
How do you think the day went? What's your impressions of the day? How it went?
Oh boy, you want my honest opinion?
Yeah, hit me up.
I don't think you want honest. Cole, number one, you're always wrong. Don't ever think you're fucking right. You are always wrong.
All right.
Don't lose your ring.
Okay.
Remember, your ring is covered under your homeowner's insurance. Hey, thank you, Farmers Insurance.
This seems oddly specific. It's almost 9 o'clock now. How do you think the day went so far?
I think it went fairly well, all things considered.
Okay. And then for anyone else marrying the Duenckels, it's a great time. I highly recommend it to anybody.
It has been great to be part of the only few minutes the bride wasn't able to plan today. Here's to a toast to the happy couple.
You heard it here first, folks.